Everybody who was watching us. Welcome on Qubit Labs business channel. My name is Kozlovskaya and I'm a founder at Qubit Labs. So today we would like to record a video about game teams for you. As you can see on our channel, time to time we practice to share our research with you guys to help you understand market salaries and locations and taxes in different locations. So that is why we try to focus on some industries, and today it will be game. We have a great experience to hire game teams from developers to art. For now, we are working with more than 5 teams in our company with different games, like from city builder up to mobile casual games. That is why for now we have a great expertise in it. Let me please share with you my screen, my presentation we prepared for you. So yeah, as I mentioned, today we will speak about how to hire a game development team. We actually choose a list of positions, more famous positions in the request we received from our potential customers and our current customers. That is why we choose this list of positions. But any case, if you have different needs in your team, you can just come to us and we will make individual research for you with your individual needs. With your technical stack or roles you need to hire for increasing your team. So actually, we are our staffing company in the market 7 years. As I mentioned, have a great expertise in game development teams. To hire them, we know exactly where good expertise, where it will not be any issue to increase them faster, where we should to focus if we want to save budgets. So please, let's start. That's what I want to show you, that 3D artist position. You can see that main 2 locations, almost 3 locations with good expertise in 3D artists. So we can see Ukraine on top, and then Poland, and then Romania. So potentially, if you are looking for 3D artists, you should attract your attention on these 3 locations, and it will be easiest way to find good candidate for yourself. Okay, if we speak about 2D artist situation, almost the same, but we have in this line we have Georgia on third. On second, actually, position, and top 3, like a location with a 2D artist experience, which is interesting, really. Yes, that 3D and 2D are very different. That is why it's important to understand from your needs what you need to, what kind of expertise you need to hire. And then choose which location will be better with specific expertise, not about only game. Okay, so if we speak about 3D, you should to focus on Romania, Ukraine, and Poland. If we speak about 2D, you should to focus on Georgia, Ukraine, and Poland. So Ukraine and Poland, it's almost always top 2 with calculation of expertise, but third and other a little bit changed. Now we see why. So our next position, and what we see here, again, we see Ukraine and Poland, but like I'm not advisable to go, for example, to only to Georgia, because it's like limit of candidate there. So please, if you're looking for specialists like this, attract your attention on 2 locations, and it will be easier way to increase your team. Technical artist, same situation, Ukraine and Poland. Also, I would like to direct your attention on taxes, because all of locations we advise to take your attention have special offer with taxes. That is why it's like a cost-effective locations, and you can meet your budget expectations with salary expectation and taxes as well. Please, next slide. And again, we have Ukraine and Poland, and here we see Bulgaria. So it's something new again. Depends on role. Again, I would like to tell you that junior, middle, senior positions here, you can see salary expectation range. From our experience, well, from where we actually have this information, we first of all, we are doing the research with open data and analyze different websites, what company offer, what salary company offer. But and second part of our research is our personal practice and experience to communicate with potential candidates. So because we have a lot of game development customers, we speak with art and development game teams very often. That is why we know exactly their salary expectations, real salary expectations in different locations. That is why we compare what we see on websites and what we hear from real candidates. And that's how we have something in the middle and we show it, trying to show it to you. So these numbers you can see on our all slides where you can see salary information. This slides was analyzed by our team with our real experience and what we see in the internet. That is why maybe potentially when you will watch this video and you see different numbers on website, now you will know exactly why it's not matching. About animator position, again, we're back to Ukraine, Poland, and Romania. And Bulgaria here too can be like an option, but like Moldova or Azerbaijan, not the best locations for animator. If we speak about developers, pretty same situation like with art team. So that is why if you focus on right location, you will be able to complete a team not only with development or only with art teams. You will be able to complete full cycle team what you need to have. PHP developer here, calculation of people who have experience with game. So it's not like PHP developers who have PHP experience in general. In this case, we're speaking about PHP who has experience to working in game industry. Product manager, which is very important position. We see what we see. I think and data analyst, I think this is our last position for today. With data analyst, it's much more easier. More locations you can explore for yourself. So yes, guys, if you watch this video and you have additional questions about your specific needs in hiring new roles to your team, please feel free to connect us and we will make individual research. It's free of charge, individual research for you with your job descriptions and budget expectations. So you will know exactly before you start collaboration with potential outstaffing company or recruiting agency or by yourself with your inside recruiters. Before you start any hiring process, you will know exactly which locations will work best in your case. So please contact us. We have an option on our site to book a free consultation call. During this call, I can share more information about how we're doing research and how we can help you with your team. I hope this video was very interesting for you and useful. So thank you for your attention and see you on our next videos. Bye-bye.